Hello and welcome to this CATIA Creative Design video. My name is András Stojanovic from the CATIA Design IPS team. In this video, I will show you my concept modeling workflow with the CATIA Creative Design Tools. We will take a look at natural sketch for image placing and 3D sketching, human design to place some human mannequins into the 3D space, imagine and shape for creating subdivision surfaces, digitized shape preparation to edit scan data, and in the end, live rendering for quick visualization and material definition. So, without further ado, let's start. We are now on the 3D Experience platform in the Natural Sketch application. We can easily place reference images into the 3D space and adjust their size and opacity with just a few clicks. The reference images and content that we created in Natural Sketch can be managed in the Layer Management window on the left. We have also the capability to match easily the size of the reference images to each other. With human design, we can easily drop human references into the 3D space to get a more accurate feeling about proportions. To set up the right posture of the mannequin, we can use posture presets, which are available in the Edit Human window. In addition to using the pivot points, we can fine-tune the posture and the position for our needs. Now that the basic setup is ready, we can start with 3D sketching. The brush settings are available on the right flyout window, where we can adjust several settings like opacity and brush size. We can sketch on existing surfaces or use planes as sketch support. There is also a symmetrize option to define the symmetry plane in an easy and intuitive way. Within a few minutes, we can create a rough preview of our design ideas. Now we are in the application Imagine and Shape. Let's start the surfacing with an easy extrude from the symmetry plane. Or we could use shape primitives or even natural sketch trace curves to start. The subdivision surfaces can be modified and adjusted simply by just manipulating the mesh points, lines, or faces. For the symmetry, we can use the main planes, but we can also define custom symmetry planes as well. The subdivision mesh can be refined by adding or removing subdivision faces. In that way, we can add details or simplify geometry. The attraction function, we can create soft and sharp edges which can be filleted even with exact parameters. It is also possible to link our subdivision mesh to a natural sketch trace curve. The trace curve is basically a Bezier-based geometry that can be defined in a very precise and accurate way through its control points. After we link the subdivision surface to the trace curve, we can influence the shape by adjusting the control points of the curve itself. We can switch to perspective view anytime in the process to evaluate our design in a more realistic way. Imagine and Shape is also ideal when it comes to scan modeling or reverse engineering. We can use the stripe drawing to sketch quickly and efficiently our subdivision layout direct on the scan data. After fitting the base layout of the subdivision surface to the reference, we can continue to develop and explore the shape further. The scan data can be edited with the application Digitized Shape Preparation. We can split, remove, or hide areas to simplify the scan according to our objectives. With the real-time sectioning tool, we can check the deviation between the reference and the subdivision surface during the modeling. This is a fast and easy approach to increase the accuracy of our results. For quick visualization, let's switch to the next application, live rendering. We can change easily the environment from a list of presets, or we can use the environments which we created. By tweaking the camera settings, we can adjust, for example, the intensity of the lights and focal length. There is even a material library with a wide range of predefined materials to drop on the geometry directly. I hope you really enjoyed this short introduction video about my concept modeling workflow with the CATIA Creative Design Tools. Thank you for your time and attention. See you next time.